Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to see when you started following someone on Instagram. You want to see the date you started following someone on Instagram. So let's dive in. We're going to open our Instagram app. So let's open our Instagram app. Okay, so what we're going to do is okay guys, let me click my daily rewards. Oh sorry, so okay. So what we're going to do is click on this your profile money button. Then you come to this your following, click on it. Then you can search for the person you want to see when you started following them. So I'm going to use this. Let me say I'm going to use this one now. So just click on them. When you click on them, you see these three dots. Click on these three dots, and you click on the see shared activity. Just click on see shared activities, and this is it. You're going to see where so I started following this Abdul Edwardin on April 2020. Do you see? So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe. Thank you guys.